Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this gradient shape in CapCut PC, like this text effect. So add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in sunset or anything you want. I'm also going to use this bold font as well. I'm going to then select some colors here. I actually don't know how to color like sunset properly, but I'm gonna just try. And you're just going to right click, create compound clip to each of them separately. Select your text here, go to video, go to mask, and select any shape that you want. I'll just select the circle one first, and I'm just going to feather that out. I'll select the second one, go back to video again by selecting the circle one. I'm also going to feather that out as well. And lastly, we have this one to mask, like so, and I'm just going to also feather that out to blend it with the others. And that's how you can create a blended gradient effect on CapCut PC. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!